guys, so welcome to today's show. My name is CHUKS and you're on JFL TV, the home of football. So if today is the first time we see our program, for you to bring you the latest Arsenal news update as they drop all over the world. So for now, let's start with today's news. Alright, so Jimmy Floyd Hasselbank will be one of the former Chelsea players and one of the football pundits out there in world football. So Babaka Okobasa going to talk about David Raya and Aaron Ramsdale because now the latest trending topic in town. Don't be like Arteta don't give everybody something to talk about. So Babaka on the way in your own opinion into the matter, I call talk say Ramsdale, as in they like this now, say Ramsdale don't already know say David Raya and be Arteta's preferred number one. Say they very obvious say Arteta like the guy. Now, what's he make Hasselbank don't get this kind of opinion? Because at the end of the day, it is an opinion in the realm of speculation. Don't be saying a fact get. I don't think say get anybody don't tell them from Arteta camp say I'm on Raya be our number one now. I don't think say anybody don't tell them. But looking at it from face value or on face value, when you look at it, you go see say before we sign Ramsdale, some people may don't know this. Before we sign Ramsdale, Arteta actually wanted to sign David Raya. But it was not possible. You know, they easy for we know if you do am, you so that was why we went for Ramsdale. Now, when we can see say David Raya contract don't they run down, then one can sign a contract extension because don't be say Brentford really willingly won't sell the guy or give the guy to anybody. Now because sign contract extension. So instead of letting him go as a free agent, Brentford can decide say okay, we would like to cash in. So once Arteta can get the information, he can decide say okay, I think it is high time for me to still get my man, which means truly when you look at it from that perspective, we talk say Arteta already gets the sights on Raya for a very long time, and now you say the guy can't be available, no kind of choice than to bring the guy. So looking at what Hasselbank is saying and the story I don't give you now about Arteta and David Raya, what do you think? Hasselbank don't give your own opinion out there. So you now, what do you think? Because all of us we are putting our own opinion there, and everything is in the realm of speculation. So logically, what do you think is happening? Do you subscribe to Hasselbank line of thoughts? Say even Ramsdale gone, I think they like this, and I don't know. Say Ryan number one, or you feel say two of them will fight them out. Like Arteta said, there is no guaranteed first 11. We are not playing with 10 players plus one. We are playing with 11 players. So for that reason, every position should be rotational. What are your thoughts? What say you? Alright, away from that, so Sammy Mokbel will be one of the writers for the Daily Mail. So Babaka come outside and let us know, say clubs like Bayern Munich, clubs like Chelsea, they are monitoring Aaron Ramsdale's situation. Now, as Ogasama even sent me that post yesterday, I went to look and say, what's it be the source? Before I go do my own research, I say, okay, I see Sammy Mokbel, now I put out that word there. So when you look at it, it is normal for them to monitor our situation because Arsenal have two number one goalkeeper. And let's just be honest and dissect this thing now. Regardless of what happens, something has to give. You get, at the end of the day, one person feel they unhappy, talk say I won't leave. The way Ben Leno was unhappy and saying won't leave because Ben Leno no really they play plenty games. The same way Matt Turner was unhappy after playing just 7 games, 7 in a whole season. Can't talk say he won't leave. So unless Arteta continue with this rotational policy, when they try to appease both Ramsdale and this David Raya, one person, either Ramsdale or either Raya, will leave at the end of the day. And when you look at it, remember that this Raya will never really hold him down complete. Now loan he be with an option to buy, no be really obligation to buy. At the end of the loan term, if you're not giving Raya game time, remember I say clubs they will define Raya. If you don't give him game time, Raya may decide that he wants to leave. So probably why Arteta won't pacify him, like say okay, but calm down, we'll just give you games, don't worry, nothing is up. So when you look at it, then Ramsdale on the other hand will feel somehow. I don't know how they feel, I just speculate now. Ramsdale feel say I don't even do anything wrong. Get nothing I do. We make people like Piers Morgan they say that they humiliate and say do anything wrong. But people fail to understand that you don't really need to do something wrong before another person is tried in your position. Yes, because at the end of the day, keep this at the back of your mind. Not be me and you that they fire if something goes wrong. Now Arteta they go fire. So why don't you allow Arteta to do everything within his disposal? Get everything within his purview. Say okay. Now like this I want to do, like this I want to do, we go help me, we go make me achieve my goals. we can support him. At the same time, we can give constructive criticisms on the way he handles the managerial role. So that is our job here, to criticize him, put fire on his bum so that he will sit upright. At the end of the day, we'll go analyze how we do things with the power of hindsight. So don't just watch. The way this thing they go, well, I never know how it will end. Let's just keep watching. Alright, so they call it analyze Nketiah for so many media platforms online. So they call it to say Nketiah for that Everton match, the guy not really gets a very, very good time because he failed to make a mark, like because Gabriel Jesus now, they lurk around, they observe, say, Baba, what's this up now? Now for that match against Everton, they come to say, now who scored? Now bring out the statistics, come to say Nketiah don't even get shot on goal. So now one shot off goal, didn't get, say no get any interception. You don't even break down any play. Like you get 10 touches of the ball, 10 in the whole time when you play. Just 10 touches for you to know say the guy was just like a stroller in the match. They stroll around the park. So at the end of the day, people that is why people like I think it was Alan Shearer, we come outside they ask, is Nketiah good enough for Arsenal? You can't only be performing at the Emirates Stadium with your fans. Away from the Emirates Stadium, how far? What's the sub? Now this kind of little pocket of details, now they determine who they win the league at the end of the day. You can play badly and still win. You get, you will win some kind of tough things, really very, very cagey. You go dig out the results. This is the stuff of champions. Alright, so Simon Jordan, will be one of the pundits or one of the people who work for TalkSport, come and say Arteta is trying to be clever, you get, and show that he's very, very innovative. Saying no, they follow Pep Guardiola footstep. So Baba they criticize Arteta's decision to rotate and the two goalkeepers because in day of the opinion say he never really see him before. Say majority like traditionally clubs have one good goalkeeper will be number one and then a cover. But Arteta try to reinvent the wheel, challenge the status quo, go away or shift the mindset away from the traditional way of thinking to bring something modern to the game. That is why Arteta asked a rhetorical question. If we not talk say like what is Simon Jordan talk now, say traditionally one goalkeeper not supposed to do as in that goalkeeper will get stability, then the cover will just do there. But Arteta try to challenge that mindset, say why you go be like that. If other players for the team get uncertainty on where then they play or whether they go play, why one particular person will get stability. These are the questions, and some people say the challenge Arteta say, you way they talk about rotational, what Saka, why don't they rotate Saka, put Nelson there? So there are so many things on the table. So what do you think about this Simon Jordan? They talk say traditionally it is supposed to be one goalkeeper keeping, having stability, knowing say in place they guaranteed, unless maybe in get injury before they go come out time. Then despite Arteta's own arguments, we say sometimes if they play match, one decide say, this guy know they give me the vibe I want. You come on, Nketiah put Jesus. Or say, Jesus no dey this game. Come on, Jesus put Nketiah. What if you can't decide say, or you can't see say, my goalkeeper no dey this game? Because sometimes goalkeeper self no dey game. If you to the panic, you get. If you don't make one mistake now, they can't save him. That panic will come anytime, buddy. So are you allowed to change that goalkeeper because if you say this goalkeeper no dey this game, go come on better make I put this one inside. So these are the things on the table. These are the things what they discuss. These are the matters arising. So what will be your own thoughts? What do you think about all these things as they go? So you could follow the traditional way. I'm going to follow the way Arteta want modernize things now. Let me know your thoughts. Alright, so the former EPL referee, where they call Mark Halsey, so come outside, they wonder whether VAR truly draw the lines of that Nketiah offside well, because from him, he experienced when they see that thing, say they no draw that line well, you get it, because Nketiah is supposed to give him the offside, but this one called they raise another question from me now, say, did they draw a line wrongly? Now the one with me, I never hear him before. Did they draw a line wrongly? Like, because when they give us this mindset, this narrative, say, once the lines are drawn, the lines don't draw and be that thing I confirm on this one. So this one, my council, they come outside, they tell say they don't draw well. So like I'm dumbfounded, I don't really know which one to believe. Even referee Kit Hackett, former referee Kit Hackett of the EPL, come outside, they talk say that's in our offside. Like so many referees don't put mouth for the matter. Gallagher said come outside, Demos Gallagher, former EPL referee, say now offside. So these are conflicting opinions out there from former EPL referees. So which one we go believe? Alright, Thomas Frank also come outside say in a top club, Toney will score 25 to 30 goals a day. Say because when he's playing for Brentford and he's giving you 20 goals per season, what you got to say go happen if they play for a top club where the create chances are plenty, shade they wine. Say that the way we see him, so that is why he know the surprise. say the likes of Arsenal, Chelsea, and the rest, they talk say by January they won't come put in a bid for the guy. But the way me I look at, I feel say if bid fall in, then Brentford will sell that guy. They will sell him because they don't get all those Mbuemo, they help them, they run things. I just get that personal feeling, say if the offer comes in, they will collect money. So away from that, so one of our senior man for this community, Ogachi Gozie Ohanwe. So Baba don't come as a contact CHUKS, send me your answer, make I support you for what you're doing. So Baba send us 5k, so we need to support the ministry. So we say Baba, any way they see money to bless us, to support our show, may God replenish your pockets in Jesus' name and inshallah, because we know say it's not easy for you to do that. So just thank you for your high level of generosity. Game out for us. Alright, so Arsenal fans don't create song for Odegaard, and Odegaard said come reply say he love the song. You know say they never really create song for the guy for a long time. You know it's you, but fans will create song for it, that means so you don't really impress them, like you don't buzz their head, you get. That's why they create the song. So far so good. Maybe now we're going to hear the song for the Emirates Stadium. So when I get the lyrics, I just say I can't avoid it before. I don't forget that last time shoot. So maybe later tomorrow in the evening I'll let you know the lyrics. Alright, so Michael Owen come outside and talk say Arteta go rotate David Raya and Ramsdale. They say the way when they see how Arteta they think, they say there are some certain games where a particular goalkeeper will make sense for, and also there are some certain games where the other one will make sense. Like when it comes to teams where they do a lot of cross and nod, you get Raya will make sense there. Then probably when it comes to teams where they play more attacking football, maybe Ramsdale will make sense because we never really test Raya for Arsenal for shot stopping ability. Again, so we never really test them to make remarkable saves. Even though in record day for Brentford, he made a lot of saves. In statistics, they very very close to Ramsdale. Even though they play for a very very low key that team. So we just watch Ramsdale. Owen talk say Raya is a very very outstanding goalkeeper. You don't watch him for Brentford. Me, I don't really watch Brentford games, but I know say Raya good. Now in statistics, me I see. So the way Owen take explain now waiting myself I carry for head, and I will see what at the top because when you watch games. Within for that kind 85 minutes, get teams when they lose, they no go get time to play tiki-taka and launching, they go launch, cross and nod, corner, launching. So you need a goalkeeper who is comfortable with the ball in the air to come outside to collect them, get with confidence, and that's where Raya comes in. That is why I think that it talks. So when it comes to like some matches, 80 minutes, 60 minutes, I'm going to say, oh my bless, I go bring another goalkeeper, but you don't get the courage and the confidence to do it because it is challenging the status quo, the traditional way of thinking. Even though people go para and say, then they change keeper, you know those kind of level. Well, go to watch. I see Arteta doing this thing, becoming the first manager. So try it. We just see that guy half time, we complain, say, like we do after analysis, Baba Sato them and Ogama Zoga they will say, come on this one, put this one. Very soon I go to hear, come on Ramsdale, put Raya. Or you go to hear, come on Raya, put Ramsdale. Make him come out for that kind of 15 minutes. You go become a norm. Before, they tell you say defenders go move away from the traditional way of defending to forming an inverted role in the midfield. You go believe they tell you like that. Some years, like 50 years ago, they tell you say goalkeepers go they become ball playing goalkeeper. Like everybody will just say we need a goalkeeper that plays with the ball on his feet. You go believe. So a lot of dynamics are changing. So why can't that change? Continue with the goalkeeper. Let it become a norm. Say 55 minutes now. Even though goalkeeper no get injured, if you just come out and say, oh yeah, you enter inside. These are some of the changes we may likely see. Alright, so German Jenas will be one of the pundits out there. Come outside and say Arsenal. They did very, very good with one-touch football. 1-2, 1-2. They sabi and die. And one of the things will help them win against Everton. They dominated play from beginning to the end. And Trossard, superb finisher. The guy did very, very good. Sensational player. So just like the way Trossard enter. Even though Martinelli get injury, guy enter, no make us miss Martinelli, and he scored the winning goal to build the confidence and momentum ahead of the next match. So my dear Arsenal lovers, if you don't watch yesterday's show, check the top left corner of your screen. We'll see the thumbnail. Click out so that you get all Arsenal updates as they drop all over the world. So CHUKS signing out. Enjoy the rest of your day and game out.